The title of today's video is Exotic Animals, the Best Places to spot these amazing animals.
Hello and welcome to Takingover BD. Bring you the most interesting videos to make people laugh, cry, think, and love, with the ultimate goal to evolve. Don't forget to share with others, and you all are requested to please watch videos on our channel and also subscribe our channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button.
What makes an animal exotic? The most common use of the term exotic is relative. Its usage will largely depend on where you live. For example, if you live in the United Kingdom, a sloth will be a very rare sighting since they do not live wild there. However, if you live in certain parts of Costa Rica, you can see sloths fairly commonly. When you are out walking, this shows that animals, which are considered foreign or unusual, will depend on the context. What is a little more easy to define is when we use the adjective exotic in relation to pets. In this usage, we are discussing pets which are not commonly kept domestically in a given area. A dog is not an exotic pet in the United States of America, but its relative, the hyena, would be if kept domestically. The reason why we need to make a distinction between exotic and non-exotic pets is due to how they are kept. Some people get enticed by the idea of having a pet, which is different from the usual, but often they are not kept as pets as a reason. Dogs, cats and other animals have gone through a millennia-long process of domestication. This makes them suited to living as a pet. Other animals have not, and taking them away from their wild habitat is often both cruel and dangerous. A good example is the otter. While otters are adorably cute, keeping them as pets is usually not good for either them or the household. It also helps to support an illegal animal trade. which runs on the abuse of animals and the destruction of wild animal populations and habitat. The reason exotic animals are so appealing to us is because they are rare and amazing. While we show you our list of the world's most exotic animals, we hope you keep in mind, we should support their protection in the wild, not encourage keeping them as pets. Slow lorries. The internet-famous slow loris is a type of primate that lives in Asia. Their evolutionary history is mysterious, since only fossil remains of their ancestors have been found. The slow loris doesn't have any means of protection against their predators. So they developed a gland in their armpits that oozes poison. They lick the secretion, and when mixed with their saliva it becomes active, and then they bite their predators. They may even apply the poison in the coat of their young to protect them. They are a species threatened with extinction, and their main predator is the human being. In addition to the deforestation of their habitat, illegal trade is the main problem of this small mammal. Possession of a slow loris as a pet is illegal worldwide. It is also known that some traffickers tear their teeth out with tweezers or nail clippers to make them appropriate for children. And to avoid poisoning. Horrific. Thorny devil. Thorny devil. The thorny devil is a type of lizard that is mostly found in the scrubland region across western and central Australia. This lizard is called the thorny devil, as it is covered with thorns. They live up to 20 years and are 8.3 inches tall in length. The thorny devil grows up to 21 centimeters or 8.3 inch in total length including tail, and can live for 15 to 20 years. The females are larger than the males. Most specimens are colored in camouflaging shades of desert browns and tans. These colors change from pale colors during warm weather to darker colors during cold weather. The thorny devil is covered entirely with conical spines that are mostly uncalcified. An intimidating array of spikes covers the entire upper side of the body of the thorny devil. These thorny scales also help to defend it from predators. Camouflage and deception may also be used to evade predation. This lizard's unusual gait involves freezing and rocking, as it moves about slowly in search of food, water, and mates. The thorny devil also features a spiny, false head on the back of its neck, and the lizard presents this to potential predators by dipping its real head. The false head is made of soft tissue. The thorny devil's scales are ridged, enabling the animal to collect water by simply touching it with any part of the body, usually the limbs. The capillary principle allows the water to be transported to the mouth through the skin.